Hello, people of all times. Welcome back to Lego Batman 2. Yeah, some like a publishing thing, something like that. Like just somebody that is live in a house, someplace I just play video games all day. I'm a video game lover. I'm a video game fan of Pokemon. Yeah, I'm play Pokemon all the time. I'm a big fan of those things. Some people hate Pokemon because they think Pokemons are annoying. They don't really care about Pokemon. Oh man, I just fell again. And I am pretty sure I go over here. I think oh man, I'm doing really bad. So let's make that pitch black right now and get out of here. Wow. I don't even know how to jump? Oh, finally. Okay. Go up. Good boy. Where the heck is the Batmobile? I just don't know where the Batmobile is. Just don't really care now. I don't really care at all about DC. Like I said, a night ago, I don't really like DC. I don't watch DC much. More of a Marvel fan. Trap you, Robin. You son of a crappy cork crap. Yeah. I want to fall off here. Yeah, mostly I'm just going to hang out in the water, not do much things. So, more of, whatever. Oh, a more DC superhero thing. I'm not a fan of DCs, like I said. I'd like to mention that 12 times now. Can't really just mention things and you were already mentioned it. It's super annoying. Mentioning things that's weird. Where the heck am I going? I don't know. Whoa, where am I going? Well, be careful. You don't want to kill yourself. You don't just kill yourself and do all that stuff. Where is the exit of this place? Wow, finally get there. Finally. Let's just get out of here. Yourself. Batmobile, where are you? The Batmobile, I'm talking about you. Finally, just go over here and just do a mission. Oh, you're crying, raping me. Let's do a mission. Apparently, we can only do Gotham Theater. Pretty dumb. Only one 3-play mission. Free play. Okay, why not just record the video? Yeah. Next episode, we will take on Gotham Theater's Harley Quinn. See you.